PEX Pipe Crimping Toolkit. Preparations before crimp. Cut. Fit. Install the jaw. How to crimp. Press with socket wrench included. Face a side to operator clockwise till LED lights. Face B side to operator anti-clockwise to loosen. Gauge. Press with impact wrench. Push the 22mm socket firmly onto the impact wrench. Work at height. Gently squeeze the tightening trigger until the LED light illuminates. How to crimp in tight corners. Remove the pin. Remove the nut.